As the pace of change accelerates and industry pressures grow to create more, better, faster, design and make industries need to find new ways to facilitate collaboration and increase efficiency. Autodesk is building a platform to help connect your project and product lifecycles, enable seamless collaboration, simplify workflows for faster delivery, and improve complex data management to gain superior insights and results, so you can stay competitive in today's ever-changing and complex market. The Autodesk platform is made up of 4 components, 3 industry clouds, and a set of cross-industry APIs and services underpinning the platform. Autodesk Forma is the industry cloud for architecture, engineering, construction, and operations. Autodesk Fusion is the industry cloud for manufacturing. Autodesk Flow is the industry cloud for media and entertainment. The 4th component of the platform is Autodesk Platform Services, or APS. APS is a cross-industry set of APIs, shared capabilities, and services that make the Autodesk platform flexible and extensible, allowing you to easily visualize and optimize your data, fueled by unique capabilities and a central data model. The Autodesk platform will allow your teams to easily access the most up-to-date project data wherever they are, whenever they need it. With AI native to the Autodesk platform, we will transform how humans and machines work together, automate tedious tasks, enhance productivity with real-time data analysis, reduce rework and errors through predictive insights, and power augmented design. With decades of experience creating industry-leading software more than 5 million customers rely on daily, Autodesk is uniquely positioned to connect your processes, data, and workflows within and across sectors, so you can advance towards new ways of working and realize the value of convergence in cloud. We are committed to delivering this new cloud-connected way of working to help you increase revenue, reduce costs, and optimize workflows across your business and all project phases. Get the solutions you need when you need them with the Autodesk platform. Achieve better outcomes for your teams, your business, and the world.